Miraculous Magic Central, the power in you.
Did it really have to rain? Right as I'm on patrol, too. Especially on my day to patrol. Why can't that stupid face begin soaked right now? I can't see anything. There is no way I'll be able to make it way back home. Why me? Hopefully someone won't mind me waiting out the storm in the house. I am a hero, so people should know me. Gosh, I feel awful doing this. Hello? Is anyone home? Is that a shadow? Or an arm? Am I just seeing things? Oh, gosh. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm just gonna go now. Wait a minute. Oh, I must be seeing wrong. Holy... Adrian!